Alright, picture this. You're trying to pick a health insurance plan and someone says, dude, just choose between HDFC Ergo or Tata AIG. Both are good. But what does that mean? Good for what? Good in terms of premiums, good in terms of network hospitals, good in terms of claims experience. There's a lot more under the hood when you're actually comparing two health insurance plans. Hello everyone, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. Today we're doing a proper, no jargon deep dive comparison between HDFC Ergo's Optima Secure and Tata AIG's Medicare Premier, two heavyweight policies that a lot of people ask us about. And before we start, if you want a personalized free consultation to choose the right plan for you and your family, just book a free call with Ditto's advisors. Links in the description. No spam, no pressure, just pure clarity. Alright, first up, let's get to know our two players a little better. HDFC Ergo is backed by HDFC Limited and Ergo International AG, and they've built a massive reputation for comprehensive coverage and a strong hospital network. Their health insurance business is massive. 13,000 plus network hospitals, 98% claim settlement ratio, and they've kept complaints at just about 7 to 8 per 10,000 claims, which is very low for that size. Tata AIG, on the other hand, is a joint venture between the Tata Group and American International Group, that is AIG. They've gotten about 11,000 plus network hospitals and a CSR hovering around 96%, slightly lower than HDFC Ergo, but still good. Their complaint volume is about 11 per 10,000 claims, slightly higher but still manageable. Now that the background is set, let's get into what these plans actually offer. Starting with HDFC Ergo Optima Secure. This plan is kind of a game changer in terms of structure. You get something called a secure benefit, which basically doubles your base coverage from day one. So if you buy a 10 lakh sum insured, it immediately becomes 20 lakh rupees. Plus, you also earn a bonus of 50% every year on renewal, irrespective of any claims, up to 100% of your base sum insured. Meaning by year 2, you're sitting on 25 lakh rupees cover, and by year 3, 30 lakh rupees. Now, coming to Tata AIG Medicare Premier, this plan positions itself slightly differently. Medicare Premier isn't just about hospitalization. It's about covering a lot of the fringe expenses that you often pay from your pocket, even if you have a normal policy. For starters, you get global coverage. If you're diagnosed in India and need to travel abroad for treatment, they'll cover it under your sum insured. Pre-hospitalization cover is 60 days. Post-hospitalization varies depending on your sum insured. 90 days for under 50 lakh cover and 200 if your sum insured is 75 lakh or more. No room rent restriction, no copay, no disease-wise sublimit. Good basics all sorted. But here's where Tata AIG tries to stretch further. You also get OPD benefits after 2 years, consultations, pharmacy bills, diagnostic tests. They are all reimbursed up to specific limits depending on your sum insured. Dental treatment like root canal, extraction, fillings are also reimbursed. There's also vaccination coverage for a wide range of vaccines. Maternity benefits if you stay long enough with the plan, with 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh payouts depending on your cover amount. Now, if we compare the two from a slightly clinical perspective, now let's say premiums. At a 10 lakh sum insured for a 30-year-old individual, HDFC Ergo Optima Secure costs about 16,800 rupees, while Tata AIG Medicare costs about 14,100 rupees. So yes, Medicare Premier is slightly cheaper, but it's because Optima Secure is giving you double sum insured straight from first day, while Tata AIG gives you exactly what you buy. Now, coming to bonus structures, both plans offer 50% bonus each year up to 100% maximum. But HDFC Ergo lets you push your coverage a lot higher because of the secure benefit, plus the bonus stacking up. Tata AIG's bonus is a bit simpler. Bonus builds up, but once you claim, it reduces. Restoration benefits. Both offer restoration after the first claim in a policy year. But again, HDFC Ergo allows an unlimited restoration option via a paid add-on. Tata AIG restricts it to just once per year. Now coming to waiting periods, Tata AIG Medicare Premier has a slight advantage here because they reduce the PED waiting period to 24 months, that is 2 years, compared to HDFC Ergo's 36 months in some cases, that is 3 years. Also, maternity cover and OPD kick in after 2 to 4 years depending on the benefit, which HDFC Ergo doesn't include within Optima Secure at all unless you buy additional riders. Hospital network. HDFC Ergo wins here hands down because 13,000 plus network hospital versus Tata AIG's 11,000 plus. So finding cashless facilities will generally be easier with HDFC Ergo. Now, if you ask Ditto, from a pure hospitalization and value for money point of view, HDFC Ergo Optima Secure is very hard to beat. Especially when you load up the unlimited restoration add-on, the financial protection it offers is next level. But if you're the kind of person who values having some OPD cover, maternity benefits, dental coverage, vaccinations, and global hospitalization under one umbrella, and you're willing to stay longer with the insurer, then Tata AIG Medicare Premier gives you a richer, and more comprehensive healthcare package, even if you might pay slightly more over the long term. And hey, if you're getting stuck between these two options, don't stress. Seriously, insurance is confusing even for finance people sometimes. Book a free call with Ditto's advisors. We'll not only help you understand which one suits your life better, but we'll also tell you if maybe there's a third plan that's even better for you. Link is in the description, and yes, our services are completely free. One last thing before we wrap up, folks. Whichever plan you choose, make sure you think 10 to 15 years ahead, not just this year. Health costs are rising fast. Pick a plan that doesn't just fit your wallets today, but also something that secures your peace of mind tomorrow. And if you're serious about getting it right the first time, there's no harm in booking that free call with Ditto. It's free, it's helpful, and honestly, it could save you lakhs later. Links right below. Thanks for tuning in, folks, and if you found the comparison useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more clean insurance explainers, and share this with anyone you know who's been stressing about buying health insurance. Catch you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.